Try 5 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1957 Chevrolet 210 two-door hardtop. Small block Chevy power underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Take a look at the chrome on the front bumper. Headlight bezels, of course, the grille. White paint has a nice shine to it. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see this car from every angle. Underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on 5-spoke chrome wheels. Disc brakes up front. By the way, the technician noted brake condition, 80% in the front, 80% in the rear. You'll also note that the side glass is tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as percentage of window tint that you can have. As far as the paint, there is some kind of pimpling that you can see there in that fender, and there's kind of just some sporadic areas in the hood. But again, paint has a nice shine to it. These panels, nice and straight. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a little closer look at the interior. Take a peek underneath the hood, and you can see the bright work up and down the passenger side, also in nice shape. Chrome looking good on this car. Want to make a note too, there is a switch to the left of an aftermarket gauge cluster under the dash. That's for the compressor on the AC, and I'll show you that when we get to the interior. Yeah, look at how nice and straight those panels are. Chrome in the rear bumper. Does have dual exhaust. Once again, paint on the trunk, you can see, nice shine to it. Good luster. Rear window also tinted. If you like Tri-5 Chevys, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. You can see up and down this driver's side, panels also nice and straight. That bright work down the center of the car, as well as the rear, also in nice shape. Really pops with the white and those chrome wheels, no doubt about that. A couple other notes from the technician on this one. Wipers do work. Mentioned the radio is in-op, didn't power up. Some minor drivetrain seeps, nothing out of the ordinary for a car that's driven. This car, get in it, turn the key, go have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Seat belts up front, so bench seat, tilt column. Visors in place. Headliner looks good. 6x9s intact on the rear deck. And you'll be able to see the interior from every angle also as far as still pictures. Let's go ahead and fire this up. All right, so gauges I was talking about. Well, aftermarket gauge cluster down here. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up. Oil pressure up to the right and bolts in the center. Looking good. And then there's that switch I was talking about for the compressor on the AC. AC controls right there. The AC did blow cold. Tech mentioned no heat. But how many times are you going to drive this when you need heat anyway, as far as in the winter? Forget it. Or it goes down south where it's nice year-round. You never know. We do ship all over the country. World, for that matter. All right, let's listen. A little rumble coming out of that small block Chev. That sounds healthy. All right, let's slip up to the front. Okay, here an electric fan, aluminum radiator, Edelbrock carb. Let's go check it out. All right, underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy. Good looking engine bay. So once again, power steering, power brakes, AC compressor, their aluminum radiator, that electric fan you hear. And it looks like we have a Performer intake manifold, Edelbrock 4-barrel. HEI ignition, battery disconnect over here for when it's in storage or in between drives. So good looking engine bay, smooth runner too. Who doesn't like a Tri-5 Chev? 1957 Chevrolet 210 two-door hardtop. Number to call 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a beautiful 1957 Chevrolet in white with some great looking chrome, as they all did in 57. Our turn signal indicator works. Got a nice gray cloth interior in this car. Very good acceleration. Feels a little more modernized than 1957. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. Our temperature gauge is showing a little less than a quarter of the way up from cold. It says we're doing 53 miles an hour. The fuel gauge shows completely full. The wipers work on this car. Very, very nice. Headliner, seats. I have to say, I am a fan of cloth upholstery. None of it gets hot and sticky in the summer. But this car also has ice cold blowing air conditioning right on the bottom vent under the dash. Now that rattle you hear is in the dash. I've held on to a few things and haven't found it on the surface of the dash. Brakes are nice and smooth. Acceleration is very good. I had to take a little slower than I thought from a stop there because of the acceleration. Let's kick it back in. Sounds good. Sounds like a 4-barrel to me. Nice kick down from the automatic transmission. Only a little wind whistling around these quarter windows, which is lovely to have. Natural ventilation with the turn of a tiny crank. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1957 Chevy over at uniqueclassiccars.com.